YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. You guys could see big volatility going on in the market today. Bitcoin coming in around 79 at the time of the video. Total market cap down $2.58 trillion. And before we get into the video, guys, just like I always say, not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, just the homie Crypto J. Just talking about news. Just talking about this Bitcoin price action and uncertainty that we're seeing in the market, guys, because it is quite a day. Just quite a day across the market today. As you guys could see, Bitcoin coming in at 79,000. Fear Greed Index coming in at a 15. Right? Bitcoin breaking down, and it was actually just at 78 not too long ago, and it's at a key zone right now, leaving the rest of our markets at a similar key zone. Some people thinking that we might see a breakout pretty soon off of some of these ranges, and some people thinking that again we might need to see a bit of more correction, right? Some of these long-term indicators showing that we might need to again see some tests of a little bit lower levels, but again, some of these other indicators showing that maybe we have some support over here at this 80K range, and maybe we can reclaim this, right? But again, it's going to take Bitcoin picking up in some volume, and lately Bitcoin's just been a little bit lacking in volume, right? People wondering what's it going to take, right, for Bitcoin to start picking up. Of course, it's not just Bitcoin though, it's our entire market. It's the stock market too. Stock market reaching some insane lows today. We actually haven't had a day this bad in years, guys, since like 2023. So really bad day across the board, not just for crypto, but Bitcoin coming in now at some key support, right? We don't want to start trending below this Keltner channel here. Otherwise, again, we're going to see a big sell-off, kind of like what we saw today. Want to definitely see how we close some of these other candles. A lot of people also paying attention to how we close this weekly candle here, right? We do not want to close this candle red. If we close this weekly candle red, it's going to be an indicator again that we might need to see even more sell off. But if we can close it, looking positive, then maybe again we can continue in some kind of positive direction, right? We do know that we have a lot of big news coming out this week. We're going to cover it, guys. We always cover it. As you guys could see, Bitcoin on the 1 hour also coming up against some key resistance, right? You can see we rejected here off this Keltner channel not too long ago. We just kind of been rejected. It's just been kind of rejection after rejection. So we're continuing to watch it. Of course, we're going to continue to watch these markets, whether they go up or whether they go down. Let's actually see what a lot of these people are saying right now, because the markets have really been split over on Twitter. Some people thinking that, again, we're going to see a bounce off this 80K range, and some people thinking that, again, we need to see another retest of some lower levels, right? But let's see what people are kind of saying over here. Some people said Bitcoin rises above 79K, according to CoinDesk. Market monitoring, BTC is trading at 79 on Binance. I don't know. Somebody said I bought again at 79K. Hopefully it'll sell at 85. What? Interesting. Some people thinking that Bitcoin might need to see a little bit more sell off. Some people thinking next stop Mount Everest. I'm bullish on Bitcoin 14 minutes ago, right? Everybody all over the place on the market. What do you guys think? Are you guys bullish at this 80K zone of support, or do you guys think that Bitcoin needs to see a little bit more sell off? You think that this correction will need to take a little bit more time? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section. Let's also check out the rest of the market, see how we're doing. Then we'll go ahead and check on our boy Toshi, right? As you guys could see, the rest of the market looking pretty doom and gloom right now. A lot of red across the board, but starting to pick up, right, in the past hour. Still in the past 24 hours, trying to play catch up. But again, past hour, a lot of things starting to light up. And this is kind of how I normally see which coins are in demand. Even if Bitcoin does decide it wants to test lower levels, which again, I don't know if it's going to do. I can't predict the future. There's a chance that it could do that. And if it does do that, then again, I want to pay attention to what has volume and what is seeing the pump. And one coin that, again, we know is seeing the pump and seeing the volume on that 1 hour right now is Toshi up 8% in the past hour. So again, Toshi still seeing some good volume, is sitting on some key resistance itself right now, right? On the 3-day chart, definitely I feel like a very telling sign of support for Toshi. Do not want to break below this 3-day chart. That would be not so good, because our 1-week chart is looking like we could see a retest of some lower levels, but I don't think our 1-week chart is the most telling. Again, I think this 3-day chart, us touching this resistance right now, is most telling. And then yeah, we just got to pick up in some volume. You guys can see we started picking up in volume past hour, right? But we got to start really trending above these Keltner channel levels here if we want to continue seeing some positive price action. And in my opinion, that's really going to depend on the rest of the market. I don't think Toshi is in any way, shape, or form a dead project. It's still a project that I'm dollar cost averaging into. Can it go lower? Yeah, it can go lower. If the market does decide it wants to drop again and we want to, you know, create this bear flag on Bitcoin, and we decide that we don't want to, you know, break above this 79, this 80K range, then yeah, we could see a retest of some lower ranges. And that could cause some, again, sell off across the board. It's something that could happen. But at the same time, again, I think that in the next couple months and stuff like that, a lot of the markets will start recovering. Things will start getting back to normal. I just think that corrections happen. And again, we had a huge parabolic run up on Bitcoin from November, like from 66K all the way to 100K. So again, the fact that we're starting to see some correction, we're not breaking down too crazy. Again, still sitting at 80K, not looking too bad in my opinion. But we'll see. We'll see what happens with Bitcoin. What do you guys think? I want to know your price predictions. I also want to know, when do you think that the bears will take their paws off of Bitcoin? Let us know in the comment section below. I want to know, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.